Um, we are back for the first time ever. Someone named the circus camp, and this is the Michael. So yeah, so that is yes. Some of you didn't really view this yet, and until we can get up with subscribe to Animal Maybe number one, because everyone got to subscribe. So let's subscribe. Go ahead. Just subscribe. I am the very first kid that has been who has been kidding. It has been kidding me. If you don't subscribe, you are done watching these videos. Good cat lover, keep watching. Dog lover, keep watching. If you're not even a cat lover or dog lover, anything that you love, don't watch this video. I'm telling you, don't watch it. And, and 3, 2, 1, and shoot. Three, 4. Is this even short? Maybe I do this.
Oh my God, there it is.
Yes. Bye bye.
What are you doing?
Okay, we're back. I knew that like this gonna bug this, gonna bug this. I knew that. I knew that. I like this. So if you want to get extra big with this, go ahead. What is this? Our first ammo is this one I put. There's like here that I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can't really see it. This is actually Alex from My Little Pony. And I don't know where it came from. And this, yeah, so that's Alex. This is Alex's pillow. It comes in a pod. It comes in like a pod. Two. And then What? Oh. Get your makeup on. And this is okay, cat. Who plays me in family. I usually cat. This comes from outside of the skull. Yeah, that's the skull. This is the skull from. This is the skull from this little creature. This is from Monster High. This is from My Little Pony Sparkle. It's the same thing as this.
That's how the neutrals are.
Here is my dad. This is also from Monster High. This is from Monster High. It looks like the same one, but it isn't. This is the one. I have two. Yeah. Hi. I'm going to show you this. Here's this, which is from my side, so backpack. Here's something from my side. This is from my friend Callie. Don't we have it? Then, bye! Told you to